back to my channel, Simply Lily. Today is a very exciting video. I'm gonna have a very special guest. My husband, he's gonna be doing my makeup for today. I'm so excited, kind of nervous at the same time. But anyways, please don't forget to subscribe, like this video if you like it, and please comment below if you're ready for it. Here we go. Okay guys, so here he is, my boo, my baby, my husband, Anthony.
Hey, how you doing, guys?
All right, so as I stated earlier, my husband's gonna do my makeup, so let's see how this goes. Okay, whenever you're ready, babe.
All right, first of all, I just want to say hi to everybody. Make sure you subscribe to the link. To be honest, I don't know what I'm doing. You know, I've observed it many times. I really don't think it's that difficult, so let's get with it. You know, first product I'm gonna use, I don't know if you can see this really close. I'm sure she'll put it down in the link in the bio. It's called the No Pore Blem Primer. Okay, what I'm gonna do this is, the only reason I'm gonna use this is because I'm trying to cover up some of the pores, okay? So this is what we're gonna do, we're gonna cover the pores up. The reason we're gonna cover up the pores, right, is so that the makeup could go on smooth, right? You want smoothness. Smooth.
You just spray it.
Oh, come on, right? Hold on. I forgot technology. That's advanced.
Stick out the lid. Put it, you can put it on your hand or you can put it on me, however you want.
Alright. I like the way I was doing it, but we'll go ahead and follow your style, okay? If you want to do it like that. Make sure you close your eyes, please, man. When you're doing this, you don't want to get none of your eyeballs, obviously. Because you don't want white eyeballs. Okay. You don't want eyeball white. Okay. Okay. And make sure you put it all over all the pores. Make sure you're covering all the face, okay? You know, all the way around. You see? Everything. You see? Okay. Once we enter into that, we jump into this. Boom. See what this is right here? It looks funny, right? Yeah. But this is very essential for the makeup, okay? I'm gonna explain to you why. And this is what we're gonna put and put the foundation on. Just basically, right now we put the primer. And it's kind of like when you're doing a car, basically. For all the guys that are also subscribed to the channel, first we have to prime the vehicle. Prime the surface of the vehicle, and then once we prime the vehicle, then we prepare for the paint job. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is prepare it. Go ahead and do this right here. Okay, so this one is from Becca, Becca Ultimate Coverage. Becca. You want it kind of like that a little bit, you know? A little bit, you know? Just a little bit. Now, you want to take your time as you do this, covering all the areas evenly.
Even the eye socket. You can see, one of the things that we want to accomplish when we're doing this, we want to make sure it's going to be even, okay? We want to make sure everything's even all the way around. You only want to have one side or the other, right? Obvious.
So, ladies, take your time when you're doing this. There's really no rush. We really want to attain perfection, especially the first time we're trying to do this, me, I'm a pro. So pros go a little bit faster. You can even put it on the hair when you're a pro, a little bit.
So babe, tell everybody where you're from.
To start off, guys, I was born in Puerto Rico. When I was 5, I moved to the capital of the world. I think all of you know where that's at. It's New York. And once I reached New York, I attained what's called a swag. That swag, now I'm able to give it to everybody in the world, okay? I'm able to freely. But you have to get it first. You can't give something you don't have, you know what I'm saying?
How do you pick up this swag? Like, can anybody just get this swag or what?
No, because you have to be born with a certain type of ability to attain it. Not like a certain power.
A swagger power?
Yeah, swagger power. I like that.
Only New Yorkers have it?
No. But there's a very particular difference when you look at New York swag, or when you try to compare that to anything else. I don't know if any of you guys traveled around the United States. I have, plentiful. And I think every place has their own flavor, but none quite like New York. You know, New York has its own unique style. I think the people there, it's so multicultural. You're free to do and be whoever you want to be without being judged by anybody. We want to let that just sit for a moment, okay? And then we want to go to the contour, okay? The contour, what we do with this is we want to give shape to the areas that we want highlighted, okay? And you might be asking, Anthony, what are you talking about? Well, you know, like contour. Let me show you right now.
So being that I don't have, see, I have a round face. How are you gonna give me some shape to my face? Being that you're the expert.
Well, you know, like I said, we're gonna give you contour in certain areas where it's gonna resound and it's gonna make the makeup that I'm gonna apply just that much more out there, you know, so that people could really see it better, you know?
Okay, let's see what you got.
Okay.
Oh.
So basically what we're gonna do here, okay? We're applying contour, okay? What the hell are you doing? I know it's kind of crazy. It looks crazy. I know. I'm a ninja. Only ninjas could do this like this. Okay? You see this? That's a lot, right? Well, that's not a lot. Be careful, guys. Don't shoot any white flies. That can happen occasionally. Okay?
Now you might be asking, what is he looking for? Let's go to Tiger style. Okay? I don't know if we showed it. Tiger style. It looks like Tiger style, right? The Tiger style is going to do is contour style. Okay?
Now, from there, we're gonna try to blend it in. Okay?
Oh. Blend.
Yeah, I really don't want to bring in these big words. We're gonna blend it in, okay? It's kind of like a fade. As you can see in my hair, how the hair blends in. That's what we're gonna try to accomplish here, right? But we're gonna do it with soft strokes. What we also want to accomplish, though, right? Like I said, we want to fade it in. Okay? We don't want to leave that out there like a line, right? We don't want that. You kind of want to do the wax on, wax off thing, you know? You know, I don't know if you ever seen Karate Kid, but wax on, wax off, is it? Wax on, wax off. Up and down, up and down. Is it? Up and down, up and down. Eye sockets are important. Make sure you hit the eye socket big, okay? Hit the eye socket real good. One thing we want to make sure is that we do get that blend, okay? Very important. We don't want to have her working out there like she's crazy, right? Is this Tarte baby or Tarte? What is this?
Tarte. Shake me.
I know it's really good. It's expensive. Okay. So initially, you just want to put a little bit though, like, you know, little dabbers, like that. You think?
Mm-hmm.
Dabbers. Right? You see those dabbers?
Mm-hmm.
You can actually put one more dabber. Okay. Okay? We're gonna go to the most important piece that you guys need. The esponja.
Sponge. For those of you who don't know Spanish, sponge.
Now, you can also utilize this on females and males, I don't know, whatever. But if you have freckles, or if you have anything in your face, I mean, some people don't even like birthmarks for some reason. You can use this also to cover up birthmarks or whatever the case may be. Heck, you could even make your own, you can make a birthmark. Just get a dark one. You know what I'm saying? This is just me off the top of the dome. I'm improvising right now. This is freestyle makeup. You know what I'm saying?
I like that, freestyle makeup.
So with this freestyle makeup, what we're gonna do, right? Is like, this is kind of like flour. Okay? What we're doing now is like kind of like, I don't know, have you ever breaded chicken before? Have you ever breaded chicken, or have you ever tried to...
Guys, right now while he's doing this, he's literally holding my hair.
I'm sorry. This is a control thing. I have to make sure.
I control my head.
I have to make sure the movement is correct. Like a breading sort of that we're doing to the chicken or to the...
You're close.
Or to the shrimp.
We call it baking.
That's what you guys call it. Like I said, What I called it?
Breading.
Breading, yes. Or breading the face. Well, right now I'm a flow. This is like next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do the eyebrows. Similar to all these things, right? The first thing that we want to do is we want to outline. Okay. Making sure we don't put too much pressure on the face. Because we don't want to hurt the individual. Once we've attained the shape that we want to have, okay, we want to give them a little bit of color.
So babe,
What?
how long have we been together?
Well, we have been together around 14 years. And I've been the best 14 years of my life.
So who do you think has been my makeup inspiration?
And do you really want them to know?
Who put me onto this?
I did.
Let them know.
I put you on this.
How did you put me onto this?
Well, you know, sometimes you were too busy or something to get ready. And I mean, regardless of the fact I loved you anyway, but I was just like, I saw you and I said, you never really took time out, or you would, I guess, on special occasions, but you really wouldn't have, you didn't really have that much time. Until I just told you one day, I don't know what came over me, I was like, Dad, why don't you just take a little bit more time and do this and do that? And then a couple of years later, my credit card bills were going through the roof. But I knew that this was something that once she got involved into it, she's a very dedicated person, and I knew that once she got involved and was diligent about learning and diligent about what it takes to perfect her lip, I knew that she was going to be very successful. So that's why I was just trying to.
So on that note, what should they do?
Well, of course, first thing you got to do is subscribe to her channel. You know, it's Simply Lily. And like I said, my name is Anthony. I'll be coming on every so here and there, you know, to give little tutorials of my own. These are master classes, though. It's Masterclass 101. I normally don't come on, so it's just gonna be Lily normally, okay? But Lily's more than enough to get you going on your day, okay? So just press subscribe, follow her as I continue.
Don't forget to give that thumbs up and comment anything that you want us to know. How's he doing so far?
Yeah.
Let us know.
Let me know. And if you want, I mean, throw any suggestions in there, what you think, or what our next video should be like, let us know. Always open to ideas. Whoa. I know you guys right there just saw that, were like, whoa. That was like some Salt Bae type stuff.
Salt Bae. Salt Bae on the eyebrows.
Right now we're gonna get some color. We're gonna put some color up on her.
Okay.
Okay, and then what we're gonna do once we put color up in there, we're gonna put color up on her.
Okay.
Okay.
So what color are we going?
Well,
We're going to lips?
Yes, right now I'm gonna go straight to the lips. And I'll put some on my nose. So forth. Okay, so we're gonna put something here that's called snorkel or snorkel, whatever. I like saying snorkel. Sounds more, I don't know. This one has snorkel.
Snorkel.
Or snorkel.
What color is that?
This one is actually called Sun Castle. Okay, we're gonna use a little bit of Sun Castle over the top. Okay. What we're gonna do right now is we're gonna go from darker to lighter on the eyebrows. First we drop the snorkel, and then now we're doing the second. Okay. So now you're like, what is he gonna do with this? Right? He's gonna go crazy? No. I'm not the crazy type, but as you can see, everything that's flowing, we have a little bit of burgundy, we have a little bit of nice pink on the lips with some sandcastle that we threw out there with some angelic. We have everything going on up in here, you know what I'm saying? So then what we want to do is we want to give it something like, blah, right? Let's give it that, blah. like, what the fuck are you talking about, right? But you gotta give it that pop, you know, you gotta give it that thing that people are gonna be like, huh? Okay. What is that? This one. The most important thing, guys, is coverage. Remember that. I'm sure you're covering everything on the myself with the cover. See, these kind of looks, not everybody can pull this off. I'd be daring to do stuff like this. You know what I'm saying?
Is this a daytime look, nighttime look? What do you think?
This, I would use this anytime during the day. I mean, nighttime I'll be a little bit more crazier because it's just the way it gets. But this is a daytime thing because you want people to see it. You know, you want people to be like, what's going on there? You know. As you can see right now, what we done did here. Okay. We entered into what's called. This is called. I'm gonna call this look right here, the Anthony McCall look. Okay.
Okay.
Now you have to do it. McCall.
McCall.
This is the McCall look, okay?
Okay.
This one first.
Yikes.
You say you're so professional? I don't think about my eye. You don't say like when you go eat somewhere like a doctor, right? When you see a chef. I get a brain. You don't do this, okay? You'll be very happy.
Now, once we have the eyelashes nice and popped out, we're gonna enter into one of the final stages in the makeup process.
The cheeks.
We're gonna do the cheekers. Bam! And there you have it, my friends. Once you finish doing these things, give it a little bit of time to dry up. If you remember, I used a product that she called baking. Me, you know, I call it breading. You know, you gotta bread the chicken. So once you put in everything that you put in, you wanna make sure that everything is sealed with the foundation. Then you enter into everything else.
He is adorable, guys. So, if you like this look, please comment below. Please let us know what you thought about this video. And until next time, thanks for watching.
Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe. Have a good day.